there, Wes Dove here with Dove Development and Consulting. So we've been down a path. We've been really working through a number of different things on leading with a clear purpose. We started this process by looking at the importance of us in the leadership role. How do we have that clear purpose? How do we make sure we're latched in and latched onto and dialed in to whatever that purpose is that drives us as individuals and our organizations that we're responsible for. We recently moved to look at how we can help lead our team members to a purpose that they can really connect with, both the organizational purpose as well as their own individual, clear, definite purpose that really gets them out of bed in the morning. So most recently, we started to look at the idea of how do we help them determine what that is. And the reality is if we just listen, they're going to tell us. But they're also going to tell us through their behavior, not just their words. So what we're going to do here is dig into the importance of becoming a trained observer. And I reference through what follows and what you can dig into if you go to the page or read the full article and whatnot. What was some of the experience I had in years and years and years of behavior-based safety and traveling across North America, both practicing it myself, but training teams on how to watch behaviors and understand what's really going on in individual situations. And what we'll dig into here is, gosh, if we study behavior, we can often recognize what priorities are. And that behavior is going to often send a louder message than just words alone. Have you heard the thing, hey, your actions speak louder than your words, right? Well, we're going to dig into that here. But I also want to stress the importance of learning to recognize and, more importantly, understand the disconnects. Why is there a mismatch? We're going to go through that. Now, moving forward, the next thing we're going to dig into is how do we understand behavior and communication styles in a way that we can really connect those dots and make an impact on the teams that we lead to really give them what they need, help understand what they need, and move that needle forward towards helping them recognize their individual purpose and tie it back to what we're chasing as an organization so we can get great results. Now, last thing I'll do is I always wrap these up. I'll challenge you, if you've never done it, go through the quick video assessment that I've got wherever you're accessing this. It's, 8, 10 questions. They're pretty simple. It gives you a couple different options for each question. And based on your responses, based on where you're at right now in your role, in your organization, it's going to segment you to maybe it's a complimentary resource we've got. Maybe it's a low-cost digital course that we've put together that should serve as a shot in the arm to really help move the needle forward, help you capture lost profitability in your organization. Or maybe it's a one-on-one conversation to where you and I can chat through, hey, what's really going on and how can we give you the right prescription to capture that lost profitability that better, more effective leadership can really help you with your organization do. Make it a great day. Look forward to talking with you soon. God bless.